Transform your weight loss journey with the nutritional power. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey where nutritious eating converges with joyful living? Today I'm here to guide you, inspiring you to take control of your weight loss journey while savoring delicious, healthy food. Believe in the power of smart food choices to shed those extra pounds and unveil the vibrant, energetic you. Let's dive right in. Weight loss goes beyond simply slashing calorie intake. It's about empowering your body with the right nutritional fuel. Think of foods, rich in nutrients, as your personal allies. They not only keep you full for extended periods, but also ramp up your metabolism, granting the energy needed for an active lifestyle. Think of food as your secret weapon, a buffet of potential. It's about nourishing not just the body, but the mind and soul. The better you eat, the better you feel, and the simpler it becomes to achieve your aspirations. Harnessing this power doesn't just lead to weight loss, it reinvigorates your entire lifestyle. Embrace the array of foods out there designed to support your weight loss journey. Leafy greens. Dive into a world of greens like kale, spinach, and arugula. Low in calories yet high in fiber, they fill you up without adding bulk to your plate. Each bite nourishes your body and fuels your determination. Lean proteins. Nourish your muscles and quell hunger pangs with lean options like chicken breast, fish, tofu, and eggs. These proteins are the building blocks of your journey to fitness and health. Whole grains. Think of brown rice, quinoa, and oats as your sustained energy partners. They prevent spikes in blood sugar, keeping your mood stable and your focus sharp. 4. Healthy fats. Indulge your palate with avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These sources don't just support metabolism, they enhance brain health, allowing mental clarity on this transformative journey. 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries offer a delightful way to satisfy your sweet cravings. Loaded with antioxidants, they energize you to conquer every challenge. 6. Legumes. With beans and lentils, add a punch of protein and fiber to your meals. They're perfect for keeping you satisfied and your nutrition balanced. Quick tip. Fill half your plate with veggies to effortlessly reduce calorie density and maximize satisfaction without compromise. As you stride forward on your weight loss path, be mindful of potential pitfalls. Sugary drinks. They sneak in unnecessary calories without satiating hunger. Choose refreshing alternatives like water, sparkling water, or herbal tea. Processed snacks. Avoid calorie-dense, low-nutrient options like chips and cookies. Instead, opt for the natural goodness of nuts or fresh fruits, keeping your energy stable and your resolve firm. Skipping meals. It's a trap that can derail your metabolism and lead to binge eating. Commit to balanced meals as the cornerstone of your daily routine. Time to get hands-on in the kitchen with recipes that respect your time while supporting your goals. 1. Breakfast smoothie. Blend spinach, frozen berries, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for an invigorating start to your day, setting the tone for success. 2. Grilled chicken salad. Combine grilled chicken with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette. Each crunchy bite symbolizes victory in your health journey. 3. Veggie stir-fry. Sauté broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers with tofu or shrimp in a low-sodium soy sauce for a fast, delectable dinner. It's a feast for the senses and the spirit. Consistency is your greatest ally. Here are some strategies to keep you motivated and aligned with your goals. Plan your meals. Design weekly menus to dodge last-minute, unhealthy choices, ensuring every meal embraces your mission. Stock healthy snacks. Keep your pantry filled with cut-up veggies or yogurt, so healthy options are always within reach. Celebrate small victories. Each milestone, regardless of size, is a testament to your dedication. Cherish these moments to fuel your determination every step of the way. Thank you for watching. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart choices without stripping away enjoyment. By staying committed and consistent, you'll not just reach your goals, but also exude vitality with every bite. If you found this video empowering, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more inspiring tips and scrumptious recipes. Until next time,